大家好，我是 April 老师。Welcome to the 5th Chinese Writing course. Today we start book Chinese Reading and Writing 5, learning 10 new characters in lesson 21. Also, 2 old characters are brought back for their second pronunciation and meaning. Find out which 2. Let's start with the new characters. 问用找出进谢总法地对After learning new characters, let's take a look at the 2 old ones. This is the first one. Previously, we learned its pronunciation is 校, such as in combination 学校. It has a second pronunciation, 校. Example given for this pronunciation is 校对. The second character we're bringing back today is this one. Before we learned it's pronounced as le, such as in combination 吃了. Its second pronunciation is 了. The example given for this pronunciation is 了不起. It's pretty cool that old characters become new again. That concludes our lesson for today. Practice writing these characters until you are familiar with them. We'll study words and combinations at our next lesson. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher April. Join me again soon.